Hi, I'm your helper Freevian. Today I'm going to show you my update to the tool in the previous video that can increase your video extraction speed significantly. The new update makes everything much easier. Now you just need to only open one window and copy your video link into the terminal and everything is done. It will automatically copy the transcript to a clipboard. You just have to paste your transcript to your favorite AI website and you will know the video better than the front 10% of viewers who actually watch the whole video. Then how to download that? Just go to my GitHub repo and go to the latest asset and download the RAR file and just copy it to any folder you like. Click the run.bat and you will get a security alert. This is because I can't afford to buy a certificate. Just click more info and click run anyway. Then you're done. And how to use? Simple as well. Just like I said, go to any major video platform and search for a video you think need an AI to help with. Like this Vietnamese video. Drag that video to your browser's address bar and copy that video's URL. Remember to change the language to the right one. Type L and type VI to change language to Vietnamese. Then paste that URL into the terminal. After that, wait for the script to complete. After it's done, type V to copy the transcript and go to your AI website to paste that content to get a full understanding and explanation. The script also supports multi-language transcription, which is why it's so powerful. With this weapon, you can easily have an insight in the most realistic daily life in other mysterious country you're interested in. For example, you want to travel to Moscow, but you don't have a Russian keyboard. Then how are you supposed to search native Russian content about travel guide? Simple, just use AI, ask about Moscow travel guide Russian, search keyword and copy those keywords and search in YouTube. Use the script to transcribe the video. Don't forget to change the language to Russian. Type L to get the language list and find the corresponding short two-letter form of Russian, which is RU. Then type RU to switch language to Russian. Paste the video link, then wait for transcription. Once it's done, go to AI and paste it for explanation. You can even use this to watch Chinese video, which is a super mysterious country to most of you. Right? Now, go to this Bilibili.com and look for any video you felt like to know about. Then, just like YouTube, drag the video to address bar and copy that link. Go to your terminal and change the language to Chinese. Paste the link and wait for your result. Done. About how this works, you can just check my previous video. It has a full explanation. Or you can just check my README file in my GitHub repo. And that's for all today. The next video is about how to make your own GitHub page. I'm your helper Freevian. Hẹn gặp lại bạn ở video tiếp theo.